Texas's controversial floating buoys along the southern border facing their first legal battle.
Our Madison Sawyer live in studio with us now with the latest, including, Madison, some new reaction.
Yeah, and in fact, as we speak, a federal court right now in Austin is hearing the Department of Justice's case against those floating buoys. Now, outside the courthouse, more opponents have gathered, claiming that the state's tactics are not only breaking federal humanitarian law, but also putting migrants at risk.
They need to understand that what their actions are doing are drowning women and children in the deep water. Nothing more. That is not an immigration solution.
Now, that's State Senator Roland Gutierrez, who says he is hoping that the judge in today's case will grant a temporary injunction that could ban Texas from installing more of those buoys, or it could even cause the state to have to remove the ones that are already in place. But still, Governor Greg Abbott is holding firm that the operation is necessary to protect Texans from illegal immigration and smuggling.
The border between the United States and Mexico is turning into a deadly welcome mat for the migrants who are coming here. We, as states, share an obligation, and that's to step up and respond to this unparalleled catastrophe caused by Joe Biden.
And last week, a court filing actually claimed that 80% of the buoys were not even in Texas territory, but in Mexican territory. Then yesterday, they were suddenly repositioned. And the governor says that was out of an abundance of caution, guys.
Hey, Madison, the governor is also facing pushback regarding another matter that involves migrants. What can you tell us about that?
Yeah, this is something we've also been reporting on extensively. For months now, we've covered how Governor Abbott has had a program where he's been busing migrants from Texas to what he calls self-declared sanctuary cities. And last night, a 9th bus arrived without warning at Union Station in Los Angeles. Now, it's unclear how many passengers were on board, but it all comes as Southern California continues to deal with the damage and extreme flooding from Tropical Storm Hilary. In fact, the city's mayor called the timing, quote, despicable. Now, we're told that LA churches and nonprofit partners will be taking in and caring for those migrants for now. But obviously, guys, still a lot to be discovered.
Yeah, a lot to be discovered, Madison, and a lot to be unpacked. And the title, Battle at the Border, is fitting in this case. Thank you.